Oh yeah, check it out. Oh, we got one. The little telescoping rod. Look at this. Not a bad little rod for like small little crappie, sunfish, little panfish and things like this. We're gonna toss this one in. Little grub worm work today. How about that? Look at this little guy. See you, buddy. What's going on, y'all? In this video, what I have here today is a little telescoping rod kit. Check this thing out. This is a spinning reel, and this is by a company called South Bend R2F Ready to Fish. It's more fun, more fish, more memories. I'm out here on a little pond that's kind of close to my house here, and I wanted something that could just kind of like fit under the seat or in the back seat of a car or maybe in the trunk or something. If you're like me and you just want to kind of have a fishing rod and a little fishing kit with you at all times, highly recommend one of these little guys right here and show y'all exactly what all you get with this kit. It doesn't have bait in it, by the way. This is just a kit for like tying up lures and all that, and it's a telescoping rod. You can see how it works right here. It basically, the entire package here is a little over 2 feet long. So if you can fit this under the inside of a backpack pretty easy if you want to do some stealth fishing. Say if you want to fish a pond that maybe not many people fish and you want to like toss your fishing rod down inside the backpack and then get somewhere, then pull it out and do some fishing, this is the rod for you. But let me go ahead and take this thing out of the package here, and let's see what it's all about. So let's do that now. All right, so it looks like it's held in by three zip ties. So you know what, let me get my Gerber suspension out right here. Actually, you know what I need with this? It looks like with these little zip ties, I might need a pair of scissors. So there's the actual kit itself. Oops. You know, they're claiming it's a no-knot spinning system, so I'd like to know how that happens. There's the kit. Let's go ahead and take this off. That's kind of cool how that matches up with that. It looks like you get 3 bobbers, a little bell for like, that's basically people that like set their rod down so when they get a catch they have a bell. Hooks, that's what those are. Those are very tiny straight hooks. These are hooks on a leader, that's what that is. Yeah, so it looks like they're giving you a few hooks onto leaders already pre-tied. So how about that? We will not need that because I have my fishing kit with me. This is a little protective covering. How cool is that? They give you a little protective covering. Put the reel on, it's like any other reel. You put it on like that and you screw it down and get it tight. And to pull it out, it looks like, let's see, you just kind of go out like that, line up the eyelets, and there's the complete rod. You know what? It actually is pretty solid feeling rod. That feels like it's more like a very light, so that's a very light fast action rod. You could tell that's a fast action rod. Let me go ahead and thread this up, and then I'll put some bait on it. You know what? And then we'll do some fishing. I don't know if I'm going to catch some fish, but we might as well give it a try. Okay, just so you guys know, you want to pull the bell back like that when you start threading it up, and they give you a little weighted end right here, and you basically just run this through the eyelets. Pretty simple to tie a rod up. And I don't know what the weight is on this line. It feels like 6-pound test. This might be 6-pound monofilament line that comes on this. I didn't see anywhere in the manual what it says. Yeah, it doesn't really tell you what kind of lines on it. You know what? All we got to do is tie a lure on and we're ready to go. So let's do that now. Since I'm going to fish for bass first, I went ahead and tied a little weight on there, and I'm going to set it up as a Texas rig. It's just run like a 2-aught hook, tying a uni knot. All right, so the first thing I'm going to use is one of these little Yum lizards. Check these things out. These are great for like a wide range of fish, including bass. So let me go ahead and rig this up. And this has a collapsible handle on it. You want to loosen that up, tighten that down. And there you go. Kind of drags on it. There's a switch right here that goes back and forth, so I don't like it. Like, turn the drag. This is where you do the drag right here. Loosen that up just a little bit. Just like that. Here we go. First cast with the collapsible. Oh, it's got a whip action to it. It's got a really nice little whip to it. I like this rod a lot. This is the perfect rod for anyone that just wants to do just some light duty fishing out there. If you want to take it and just kind of like fish a little small pond, or like I said, do some stealth fishing with this. Check it out. And then when you want to like bring it in, you basically just push it in like that. Reel it in. Look at this, everybody. Look how small and compact that is. That's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And then you have this little kit that comes with it. So you'd run this little kit right here, and this is all you need. I'm actually going to redo some of this kit with some of these yum lizards and some bigger aught hooks. Highly recommend this. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Woo!